Hey guys, Peter here, and in this video I want to show you what is coming up. As the next tutorial, I'm preparing this longer series of videos about creating an inventory system. I will want to show you how we can drag items around in the UI section and how we can swap them around, how we can ensure that the backend works by creating a script that is an inventory system SO. This will be the inventory data structure, a scriptable object. I will want to show you what is the benefit of using it as a scriptable object compared to the simple C# plain script. And we are going to talk about the model view controller pattern, so how we can split the UI part, so the view from the controller. So in our case, this will be the player controller that controls the informations flow between the inventory and the UI, and of course the UI itself, so how we can ensure that the UI doesn't exactly know what is the data behind it. It will only show us the data and send back the interactions between the player and the inventory UI itself. I have planned to release this tutorial this week, but unfortunately it took me a bit longer to figure everything out. I also want to integrate it with some sort of a game, so we can actually use those items, equip them, so it is all interactable and you can reuse this system in your own games. For now, that is it. Thanks a lot for watching this preview video. See you in the next tutorial.